Our top product is the Kills Over Armor Wood and Concrete Coating. 1 gallon is enough to cover approximately 75 square feet surfaces, reviving its former condition. This solid color coating delivers high-quality waterproofing ability that can transform old, weathered concrete or wood to a brand new, durable surface. It's a thick paint that's made from 100% acrylic resin. It restores and corrects the damage, chips, and cracks of vertical or horizontal wood surfaces, giving it a uniform and fresh look. It effectively hides flaws and imperfections of concrete surfaces like patios, pool decks, and sidewalks, along with the composite surfaces of boat decks, and porches. It's recommended for drivable surfaces like driveways and garage floors and other high-traffic areas. This innovative paint can easily conceal gaps and splinters up to 1/4 of an inch, producing a slip-resistant finish. Before the application, ensure that the surfaces are clean, dry, and free of oil, grease, or dirt. For a maximum outcome, 2 coats are recommended. You can choose to apply it using a sprayer, roller, or brush. And you gotta wait about 4 to 6 hours before applying the next coating and allot 72 hours for the total cure process. It comes in 3 colors: chocolate brown, slate gray, and redwood, and in 2 finishes, smooth and textured. The textured option functions like an anti-slip coating that keeps you safe while traversing the wet concrete floor. The second product that makes it on our list is the Eco-Advance Concrete and Masonry Siloxane Waterproofer. It's a 16-ounce white liquid concentrate formula that's used to produce 1 gallon of premium and long-lasting water repellent when mixed with water. The mixed formula is enough to cover up to 240 square feet. It's different from other waterproofers on the market due to its vapor transmission ability, generating a long-term and excellent product, and substrate performance. Substrates require a curing period to prevent the trapping of moisture that results in fast degradation. This earth-friendly liquid formula doesn't harm the landscape plantings because of its low volatile organic compounds, or VOC. It's ideal for concrete, natural and synthetic stone, stucco, payers, EIFs or exterior insulation finishing system, split-face block, and other materials because it produces permeable vapor that works well with masonry and new concrete. It protects them against mildew, mold, water damage, oil, pool and spa chemicals, and de-icing salts. The paint's low odor formula and quick dry component make it possible to walk on the surface within 2 hours of spraying. It dries up without altering the appearance and quality of the surface and provides ultimate protection against ultraviolet degradation. Moreover, this non-flammable, non-toxic, and water-based waterproofer is ideal for cold temperatures down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Though it's not exactly a concrete paint, people love using this clear formula because of its great waterproofing power that gives a satin-like finish. So there go our first 2 featured concrete paints that will make your interior or exterior flooring look better. If you have comments or questions, then don't hesitate to write them down in the comment box. We're happy to read any opinions you might have and we'll do our best to answer any questions. And if you're not yet a member of our friendly community, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get an instant notification when we upload a new product review. Now let's continue. Our next item is the Armor Gray Satin Concrete Floor Paint from Rust-Oleum. It has a high-quality 1-part acrylic paint that delivers exterior and interior durability. A single coat application is all it takes since it's a paint and primer formula. The strong and smooth gray finish of this paint is ultraviolet and weather-resistant. It's highly durable and can withstand the harsh chemicals. It features an advanced acrylic technology that guarantees long-lasting sheen and quality that makes your indoor and outdoor surfaces look good. 1 gallon of this formula can cover up to 300 or 400 square feet, freshening up your existing floor surface with easy roll-on application. This self-priming paint is easy to apply because of its smooth formulation that dries up quickly and allows light foot traffic within 16 hours. It makes your restoration of concrete floors easy and fast, considering it's both paint and primer. You don't need a separate hardener because it's a complete mix. It provides a cool color to your garage, pool deck, patio, driveway, walkway, shop, floor, carport, and basement. It's a great choice for sealing and protecting a rough concrete surface, making it safe and convenient to clean using traditional household cleaners, the most important of which, soap and water. Getting our fourth spot is the Behr Gray Granite Grip Concrete Paint. It's a decorative color that gives a unique, multi-speckled and durable finish, which will make your flooring look pretty good with its beautiful neutral sheen. This protective anti-slip concrete paint is specially formulated for high-traffic indoor or outdoor surfaces. It resists hot tire pickup, household stain, grease, and dirt, keeping the horizontal surfaces like patios, porches, walkways, driveways, pool decks, and garage floors safe for everyone. 1 gallon is adequate to cover up to 50 square feet and good for 2 coatings. The first coat must be applied using a nylon polyester brush and a 1/4 adhesive roller cover. For bigger DIY projects, use a 4mm tipped texture sprayer to cover 4x4-inch sections and then back roll using a 1/4 roller cover. It can effectively hide up to 1/8 of an inch hairline cracks, restoring the original condition of damaged and imperfect concrete surfaces. You can fill in the gaps by brushing enough amount of paint and let it dry before applying the second coating using a roller. And it's important to make sure that the surface is completely dry, regardless of whether it's concrete, stone, masonry, or brick. The high grip performance of this concrete paint prevents slipping, reducing accidents on wet surfaces. To clean up the paint or stain, simply wash using soap and water. Before we move on to our fifth item, we want to take this moment to remind you to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the bell icon to get notifications of our newest videos. Now let's move on to the final product. Our last item is the Drylok Epoxy Floor Paint by United Glistenite Lab. Its special formula is fortified by the advanced epoxy ester resin, which guarantees extra durability and protection. Being 1 part epoxy paint, it combines the unique strength of the acrylic epoxy and the ease of ordinary paint application. It goes smoothly on various surfaces like regular house paint while leaving a gorgeous semi-gloss finish. And even more, there are no strong odors to compromise your health and complicate mixing instructions. And after use, you can clean the stain off your hands with water and soap. This floor paint is known to have the highest level of water resistance. Its waterproofing element is capable of withstanding heavy downpours of rain or snow, and it's also UV resistant, which ensures that the color remains dominant against the sun and constant changing of weather conditions. The resistant level of this product makes it one of the best choices when you want extreme protection from your concrete flooring. It resists damaging chemicals, gasoline stains, grease, oil, and hot tire pickup. It can cover 300 to 400 square feet of concrete surface and dries up within 4 hours. Allow complete drying before the second coating application. Use nylon or polyester brush and 38-inch nap rollers for excellent results. It's perfect for walkways, concrete steps, basements, garage floors, laundry rooms, and other horizontal masonry surfaces. Choosing the best product is important to get the outcome you envision for your indoor or outdoor concrete flooring, so make sure to get the one that you believe will work best for you. Our featured concrete paints got the thumbs up from everyone who used them to improve their flooring, so you can't go wrong no matter what you choose. If you're ready to go ahead and move forward, then please click the link to the product of your choice to get a great deal and get it delivered right to your doorstep. If you want any products to be reviewed, leave it in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention and grant your request. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon if you want to be the first to view our latest product reviews. Join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. And thank you for joining us on our 5 best concrete paint review. See you in the next video.